How to set up shipping on Wix website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your shipping on your Wix website. So for that, you have to set up your region. So in order to set up your region, just go to shipping and fulfillment settings in your site dashboard and choose which region you want to ship to. And after that, just set up a single shipping option. So for that, just go to your shipping and fulfillment settings in your site dashboard and click on shipping rules and select the rule from the drop down menu, either free shipping or flat rate, rate by weight, etc, etc. And after that, just click on edit shipping rules and select from the rules from the drop down. You can select any of the rules. Just set up the rule to select for example, you want to add a standard shipping charge of $4 or $6, and after that just click on add another shipping option and set up an additional shipping options and repeat step 5 and 6 to set up additional delivery option and click on save. So this is how you will be able to set up shipping on your Wix website. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.